is compendio. Koroyeni ka kiwangiyo gimonya wacho ni olo locally kod olo from outside is ntie pogruok. Okure ka local borrowing magiwacho no already en gima dhi mbele en gima ntiere ok en gima nyien. To kata na pension funds go already gise invest gise pesa mag this pension companies pension schemes already gise participate very heavily in the existing local borrowing. I don't know the kind of margin magibo wacho ni gibo tiyogo kech king'iyo the requirements RBA requirements mag this pension funds they hold more than I think 5% or 10% in cash in liquidity. Most of the assets already there must be investments. But already in form of those various bonds and securities in my government. Yeah. Moment you borrow from the pension schemes. I don't see much effect on it because already they participate in that local market. And in any case, get them avoid it's already oversaturation in the local borrowing. Sirkal borrow locally or crowd out the other investors. Usually the major players in those pension funds, the financial institutions, major players, treasury bills and treasury bonds. Already they invest very heavily in that. Korosi mano timre, nyiso nangono. Nyiso ni koro joma timo ohala kod the bank ok biro pesa no. Or biro pesa at a very high rate. Koro mane ka disadvantage mar borrowing heavily from the local market. Although some people argue ni kagi borrow locally and the government default from the local borrowings. Kechingeni is the government of Kenya through central bank. Gil magiloso pesa. To get Ogonya default pesa in your own currency. In the worst case scenario, you can print the money because the central bank is authorized to print money. The only problem is when you do that.